Do you wonder whether you need QuickBooks to start your business? You're not alone. Most people believe they need accounting software, but I've avoided QuickBooks while running my creator small business with 2 YouTube channels for over 5 years. You don't need an accountant or accounting software to start a small business. You don't even need a computer. Here are 10 ways Google Sheets help small businesses avoid QuickBooks for years. Do you really need QuickBooks for a small business? I've worked in accounting for more than 30 years and I use spreadsheets every day. But when I started my own side hustle small business as a content creator, I noticed something interesting about most solopreneur businesses. Money comes in, money goes out, and what's left over is profit. Yet many small business owners end up paying for complicated accounting software designed for companies with employees, payroll systems, and inventory, before considering a simpler way with better understanding. My Google Sheets system handles all of my bookkeeping except the bank account and tax returns for this channel and my other channel, Camp Brood. So the first question most startups should ask is, how can you track business expenses without QuickBooks? The first thing a business has is expenses. Expenses often happen throughout the year and come from many different places. Software subscriptions renew automatically, equipment gets purchased occasionally, and small costs add up over time. But if you run all your expenses through the same bank account, you can download the transactions to Google Sheets and use my expense tracker to understand how you are spending money. But if you break an expense down to its essential components, each one only needs a few pieces of information. When the purchase happened, what spending category it belongs to, like education, samples, travel, who you spent money with, and how much it cost. Once those details are recorded consistently, the spreadsheet can organize and total them automatically. By the end of the year, the numbers are already summarized, ready for taxes, and easy for you to analyze, which is exactly what my expense tracker does. You can find links to the templates I use in the video description, but to avoid QuickBooks, you need more than an expense tracker. So, how do you track business revenue without accounting software? Understanding revenue is one of the most important parts of running a business. Whether income comes from ad revenue, affiliate commissions, sponsorships, freelance work, samples, or product sales, every payment tells part of the story of how the business is growing. Recording those payments in my revenue tracker consistently allows me to see patterns over time and understand which income sources are working best. When those entries are organized in Google Sheets by company, date, category, and amount, the totals can be calculated automatically and summarized by month or year. Once that system is in place, tracking revenue becomes much simpler than many people expect because it's really just a well-organized spreadsheet. Do you have 1099s from ad revenue or Amazon affiliates? Then you need to learn how to use Google Sheets for your business. Subscribe today because we want to help you and Google Sheets become business partners and make your tax returns and other business reporting simpler. What can Google Sheets do that QuickBooks can't? We've discussed revenue and expenses, which both can do well. But what I like about Google Sheets is its ability to be an information library and organization tool. I have a planning calendar in Google Sheets that is flexible to my needs for scheduled tasks and content creation. I also have a habit tracker to make sure my time is disciplined each day. But are you like me and use Google Sheets to track ideas like YouTube video titles, social media posts and topics, or blog posts? QuickBooks can't do any of that work and will never plan to. But the most important advantage to Google Sheets is that with the phone app, you can access all your data on the go, anytime, anywhere. But if you're still interested in a robust bookkeeping software, why do so many solopreneurs feel overwhelmed by QuickBooks? One of the first things new users notice about accounting software is the language. Terms like chart of accounts, reconciliation, journal entries, and balance sheets appear everywhere in the menus. Those concepts are familiar to accounting professionals like me, but most small business owners didn't start their business to become bookkeepers. When software is built around accounting terminology, it can make simple tasks feel unnecessarily complicated. Many solopreneurs eventually realize that the challenge isn't tracking their money, it's navigating the accounting system itself. But what's even worse is that you are stuck on a computer, pulling your hair, trying to learn a complicated system instead of growing your business. That's why a lot of people feel overwhelmed the moment they open QuickBooks and can never understand whether and how they are making or losing money. What else is available from Google to support small business? When most people think about Google tools, the first thing that comes to mind is spreadsheets or Google Docs. But running a business involves much more than just tracking numbers and writing letters. You need a place to store documents, send professional email with your own .com address, meet with clients, manage files, and collaborate with partners or contractors. Many small businesses end up paying for separate tools to handle each of those tasks. which can quickly turn into a stack of monthly subscriptions. But Google built an entire suite of business tools designed to work together inside one platform that's free for most, but even the paid version is cheaper than QuickBooks. In addition to Google Sheets, businesses also get professional email through Gmail, increased file storage and document sharing with Google Drive, document creation in Google Docs, presentations with Google Slides, and video meetings with Google Meet. All of those tools are included in Google Workspace, powered by Gemini AI, to be your small business partner and assistant. But what is even better is that all of these tools are available on the computer, tablet, and mobile apps, like I'm showing here in this video. Before we get to the next question, check out our video description for a free 14-day trial of Google Workspace for a fraction of the cost of QuickBooks. But why does QuickBooks cost so much for a small business? Subscription software has become the standard model for business tools, and accounting platforms are no exception. What often starts as a small monthly fee can add up quickly over the course of a year. Many plans also increase in price as you add features or scale your business. For larger companies, those costs may be insignificant, but for a side hustle or creator business, every expense matters when you multiply that monthly fee over an entire year. Many solopreneurs discover they're spending hundreds of dollars just to track revenue and expense and still need other software to help them understand and grow their business. But you need documents like invoices. So, can Google Sheets replace QuickBooks for invoices? Sending invoices is one of the first financial tasks most businesses encounter. Accounting software often advertises automated billing systems and customer portals, but the core purpose of an invoice is actually straightforward. An invoice simply documents who owes you money, how much they owe, and when payment is due. Once those details are recorded, the document can be sent to the customer and tracked until payment arrives. When you think about it that way, generating invoices doesn't require complicated software. It can be handled perfectly well with my simple invoice template and invoice register to help you track payments with or without a computer. But be careful if you do start with QuickBooks, because you should ask this question. Why do small businesses feel locked into QuickBooks? Once a business begins using accounting software, it becomes the place where every financial record lives. Invoices, expenses, and reports accumulate inside the system month after month and year after year. Over time, that data becomes harder to move somewhere else, which means switching tools can feel risky. Some business owners keep paying for subscriptions simply because they don't want to lose access to their financial history. The longer the system is used, the harder it becomes to leave. That's why many businesses eventually realize their accounting software isn't just a tool, it's a prison keeping them at their desk. But with Google Workspace, you'll never want to switch, as you'll always need to write letters and business plans, and you'll always use Google Sheets to analyze your QuickBooks data if you grow so big that it makes sense to use accounting software. But can Google Sheets replace QuickBooks for running a business? When you strip a business down to its financial basics, most transactions are simply numbers that need to be recorded and totaled. Revenue arrives from customers or platforms, expenses are paid to vendors, and the difference between those numbers become profit. Once you recognize that pattern, the software needed to track it becomes much simpler. What you really need is a flexible place to record transactions and calculate totals automatically. That's exactly what spreadsheets were designed to do, which is why the financial system for my business lives inside Google Sheets. To continue learning how Google Sheets can help your small business, watch this video next. And if you're still here and found value, please like this video and share it with a friend, and check out one of our templates and see what you think.